Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about transcription services on Fiverr, buying it and selling it. And let's start by the buying part. After the creation of the account, yes, the buyer account, you hit to writing and translation. You look for transcription here. Here you will see people that are selling transcription service. I will provide flawless transcription service, transcribe audio and video transcription, transcribe 60 minutes of audio or video in 24 hours. I will do 90 minutes of audio or video transcription in 24 hours. Transcribe 60 minutes of audio. Those are just an examples. You see the ratings are high. 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 4.9, 5, rated by more than 100 people. So I will transcribe clear English audio to text, audio video transcription, multiple language. We have German. So English is all here. Service option. We have the language. There are more than 64 languages, and English and Spanish are the most that have people. Latvian is in the last place. We have all the languages. Okay. Also other languages. Here we have Arabic. Let's try for Arabic and see. Yeah, we have audio and video transcription, high quality, transcribe, subtitles, English to Arabic, translation and transcription in the same time. So how to sell this? You head to the seller dashboard by clicking on switch selling, or if you created a seller account, after you're done with the verification and the steps, you click on create new gig. Type here the title like we saw here, I will. Let's take I will transcribe anything for you. Something like this. Category writing and transcription we have here. Not translation. Looking for transcription. Here we have gig metabase languages. You can choose 3. I would like to choose English, French, Arabic. The only language I can speak. We have fast transcription. That's it. Now the pricing. You can put multiple choices, or you can just depend what you need package or not. I'm just typing random numbers in the name so that it will not take too long. Revision 0, reference time, number of speakers. Yeah, it can reach unlimited. Verbatim transcription, proofreading, converge, minute included, 960. Price 120. How are the prices in here? 10, 10, 5, 16. No? 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. People who are putting 5. I don't think it's just 5. The basic plan or the standard will be 5. So let's just put 10 for normal reason. You can add extra minutes for the right amount, or extra fast delivery, or additional revision, speakers, and other. Now we need a description that at least have 120 characters. I am what? A good transcriber. and I can do this in 1 day. Yeah, I will need a lot of typing. Or I can just spam something. Now we let Microsoft Edge make sure we typed anything good and not some random. Okay, just ignore this one. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Requirements. You ask them something like how necessary or how serious. No, I just want to write how serious. So get the information, all the information you need from the buyer. So it's your job to transcribe or something like this. I will leave it free text because I don't know what to say. I'm not a transcriber. I'm just here to show you how to find your transcribing job. And always put in this picture because it's the only way that I can skip this part. And the last way is to publish. To publish, you will need to, yes, to take the test. A fast English test that can take 20 minutes. To verify that you can do conjunction, punctuation, article, quantifier and count, non-count, nouns, preposition, adjective and adverbs, verb and tenses, conditional, gerund and infinitive, vocabulary, questions, punctuation, modifier, capitalization, spelling, subject, verb, agreement, verb, conjugation. Oh, it takes 14 minutes. I mean, the translation test takes 20 minutes and this test takes 40 minutes. So it will not be hard because all of those people have succeeded. You know, all, wait, yeah, all of those people have succeeded. Succeeded. Sorry, here. Each question has between 2 and 8 opinions. So it's just choose the right answer. I will take 2 or 3 questions from the test to show you how it works. This is a protected site, therefore you are not allowed to navigate away this window. As you have navigated away from the window, your attempts can be disabled. You now have the one less retry. Oh, okay. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. The electric car doesn't have a reserve gear. Has it? Does it? Hasn't it? Doesn't it? Does it? Is it right? No. Identify the correct spelling of the word. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. I think this one. 90. I'm not good at this. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of phrase. Mr. Mettner said that he security deposit in the apartment hasn't yet received, isn't yet. This is false. Didn't yet. Yes, this is it. Fill the I hope the weather clears up so we can go for a walk. So this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Playing. Goodbye.